Hello guys and welcome to my channel. Today I created this soft everyday look with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Riviera palette. I love this palette so much and I can't stop using it. Today I have been using the brush that comes with the palette. It has two sides, one is fluffy and the other side is more like a packing brush. I'm starting with the fluffy brush and I'm taking the color Sales and I'm blending it onto my brow bone. Then I'm going in with the color Estate and I'm blending it into my crease. Now I want to deepen up my crease a bit more, so I'm taking the color Coastline. It's just a tiny bit deeper than the color we applied before, and I'm blending this color into my crease. I'm starting at the outer corner and then I'm bringing the color towards my inner corner. Now I'm taking the color Seaside on the other side of the brush. I'm packing this color onto my mobile lid and a bit above, and I'm applying this color all the way from the inner corner to the outer corner. Then I'm again going in with the fluffy side of the brush and the color Coastline and I'm blending over the edges. Now I'm going back in with the color Seaside on the packing side of the brush and I'm applying it to my lower lash line. To blend this color out, I'm taking the color Coastline on the fluffy side of the brush and I'm pinching it together and I'm blending over the edges. Now I'm taking a little packing brush from Ebelin and I'm applying the color Sales to my inner corner and my brow bone. Then I'm applying some nude colored eye pencil to my lower waterline. Now I'm applying some mascara to my upper and lower lashes. Now this is the finished look. I hope that you like it. I love to create easy and everyday looks. I hope that you enjoyed watching the video. I love this palette so much, so I think I will be following more and more tutorials with it. Thank you so much for watching and have a wonderful day.